This study affirms that stricter implementation of existing regulations and stronger policies, not tax cuts, are crucial in combating illicit tobacco trade. In fact, lowering taxes, especially at this point when our economy is struggling and government needs revenues, may not be a good idea. Habang binabaybay ko po ang study, di ko matanggap na habang papataas ang smoking prevalence sa bansa, siya rin namang pagbaba ng excise tax revenues mula sa tobacco products. Obvious naman siguro sa atin kung ano ang nangyayari dito. Tobacco smugglers are reaping huge profits at the expense of the health of Filipinos and the healthcare system of the Philippines. Sinusunog nila ang buhay at kalusugan ng ating bayan at ng ating mga kababayan kapalit ang salapi. Buhay ang pinambabayan sa bawat sigarilyong pinagbibili sa mga sari-sari store ng mas mababa sa legal floor price. Ito'y buhay na mas malusog at mas matagal sana kung hindi ginawang mas abot kaya pa ang tobacco products dahil sa smuggling. The missing revenues from excise taxes because of the illicit tobacco trade are also compensated for by the lives of our countrymen and women. These taxes could have prevented people from starting smoking through anti-smoking campaigns. They could have been used to provide access to essential medicines. They could have been given to a patient to cover the cost of his or her hospitalization. Hindi ito ang pinangarap natin ng ating itulak at ipasa ang Universal Healthcare Law. These lost revenues bring us farther away from the realization of universal healthcare. Gaya ng sinabi po, matagal na po akong kaisa sa mga health reforms at maaasahan ninyo na mananatili akong kaisa ninyo sa paghahanap ng solusyon sa lumalaganap na problema ng illicit tobacco trade. As chairperson, again, of the Senate Committee on Health and Demography, I commit to studying the proposals put forward by the AER in its paper, including the enactment of new policies that will strengthen regulations against illicit tobacco and prevent these harmful products from ever coming to our shores. We must remember that this fight is not just about protecting our revenues, it is about protecting our people. Hindi natin pwedeng hayaang mabawi ng mga smuggler at ng tobacco industry ang mga tagumpay na pinaghirapan ng ating mga health advocates at ng sambayanang Pilipino.